Welcome back. So we finally get to work on our themes. Um, as you'll notice, this is a little bit ugly. Um, to my opinion, our nav bar, our header here, is a little bit too thick. I'm not really liking the color. Um, yeah, got a couple things that we need to change. Um, let's see, create new. Yeah, buttons. Let's change the themes, okay? So, um, we are gonna go in our themes here. Um, First thing we're gonna do is we are going to create some palettes, okay? And for our palette is we're gonna do primary. Primary palette is our colors. Our primary is going to be primary main, and our color for that one is going to be 1FB FC1. And the moment I save, you're going to notice a huge difference. So you see all of that, okay? And then let's do, I think I have light. Actually, let's see, secondary color. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up using that secondary color, but let's do main FFB 300. Okay, and text light. It's gonna be this one, and let's say primary as well. Okay. So as you'll notice, let me see which one's here. Change my light. Okay. Okay. All right. So my buttons here are white, which is what I need. Okay. So whenever the background is this color, I don't know what it is, teal, cyan, whatever it is. Whenever it's this color, I want my buttons to be white. So this is working properly here in my header, but it's not working in the buttons, and we're gonna fix that soon. Okay. So if we slide down to our buttons, MUI button, um, we're gonna remove this here. Okay. If we remove that, we save. Nothing much gonna change really. But if we do color, FFF, you'll notice all right here, they're white. Okay. So now that I have that, let's go to my components, header, and remove this right here. I was inline styling it to white. Let's remove that. You'll notice that they still remain white. Okay. All right. Go back to light theme. What else we're going to do? Our MUI text, that remains the same. 18 small dents. Okay. Let me see. MUI buttons, that also remains the same. MUI card, our cards right here. Let's see. Okay, that remains the same. Typography, align left. Okay, that remains the same. MUI, our app bar. So let's work on the app bar. So it's MUI app bar. So what we're going to work on right now is we're going to reduce some of the paddings here. Okay, it's in the overrides and it's going to be in the root. We're going to do padding. I believe we're going to set that to 0. Just close a couple of these and let's see the magic. You see how it's reduced here? All right. Let me put my cursor right here. And now I save, you're gonna notice it's gonna go below. You see how it's below the point of the arrow? Let's fix that. Perfect. It's a little bit better. What else are we doing? Our list item here, I'm gonna change the color as well. Okay, so let's do MUI list item text. If you want to know how I know, let's go to our blog list, and right here, this is what we're changing. Okay, this is what we're changing. Let's do style overrides, root, and we're just changing the color. Let's see if I do, actually I want that one, but let's see what happens if I just put primary. Will that change? No. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Now it changed, but I do not want it to have this underline. So what I'm going to do, I cannot style it in the theme because let me show you again. The underline is not coming from the list item text. It's actually coming from the link here, which is not a property of Material UI. It's a property of, it's a component of React Router DOM. So here, what I'm going to do in the link, okay, I'm going to give it some inline styling. So we're going to do style. We're going to do text decoration. We're going to pass that to none. And that should take care of it. That should remove the underline. And here we go. Okay. This list right here, I want to give this list a background. Okay. So MUI list. Let's see if I can do that. Style override, root, background color. What color do I want to give it? Let's give it the same background color as my card. Where's my card? Background color. Let's copy this one. Let's put that there. Oh, I didn't close these, so of course I'm gonna get an error. Save and voila. What else we need to do? Okay. I believe this is it. Yeah. Let's see. Let's look at all of our other pages. Okay. Oh, something else that I want to do. This right here. the title is a little bit too long. So what I want to do is I also want to truncate the title. Um, so let's go to blog card. Okay, and just like we truncate the, the content here, let's do the same thing for the title. Okay, so let's do, and let's say 40. Let's see what happens at 40. Okay, that's more presentable like that. Um, what else I want to do? This demo blog right here. Let's do something with it. Header. Demo blog. Let's do color white. Let's see what happened. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So far so good. Um, copyright. Let's give this copyright a color as well. Let me see, text, primary. Okay, so copyright. Okay, so let's do SX. No, style, color, pound. Just throw that in there. Color. Let's see. Light theme. Primary. Okay, so now the whole thing. All right, perfect. Let me see if I even needed to do this right here. Nope, didn't. It inherited it. Okay. What else we need? What else we need? Yeah, I'm not liking this one. Okay, so let's go to blog detail. Okay. Um, blog detail. Let's update this real quick. Um, instead of typography, let's do text field instead. Gonna do value is equal to blog content. And we're gonna do disabled, and we're gonna close that. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so, okay, but it's not displaying the whole thing. Let's also do multi-line. All right, perfect. Okay, so that is working. I guess we can keep it like this. Let's do, yeah, let's do label content. Whoops, content. Right. And what else? Yeah, up here as well. Let's copy this. Okay, let's do that. Gonna remove the multi-line. get rid of this. Okay, it's also disabled. All right, but instead of content, let's do title. Let's see. Okay, so over here, because we have our text to white, it's not displaying. Okay, so now let's go to this button. We're gonna do color. Let's see, color, is it primary? No. Wait, let's do SX color primary. That main. Yeah, primary that main. That works. Okay. What else do we need? Free cancel. Everything just works fine. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and remove this ugly background here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's remove that ugly background. Okay, I want to change the icons, the colors. Okay. Yeah, let's change the colors. Okay. Let's change the colors. So you would think for MUI, for the icon, you would go MUI icon, right? Nope. It is MUI SVG icon. And we're gonna go style override. We're gonna go to the root. We're gonna go color. Okay. So we changed that. So notice that when we change this, our avatar right here is not showing. So the reason it's not showing is because the avatar is now the same color as the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a background color of white. Okay? Now we give it a background color of white, we also are aware that we got an ugly white square here. All right? So how do we fix that? We give it a border radius of 50%. And voila. Okay? So yeah, this is how you fix it. Profile, blogs, yeah. And neat little trick that I did. So you'll notice here in tempora, labore, whatever, the title here is truncated, but if you hover over it, the tooltip gives you um, the full title. All right. So yeah. Well, this is it, guys. This is the end of our lovely tutorial. Um, it's been a pleasure. Um, Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll be more than happy to oblige. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you thought about this tutorial. It's rather long, but I enjoyed it. Um, it's my first, nah, not my first. Well, it's my first tutorial. Back-end tutorial, but not my first project. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. See you in the next project.